This is the smallest robot vacuum cleaner that I have ever seen, but is it good or bad? Can it work with all major smart home hubs, including Home Assistant? Also, where the collected garbage is going with such a small size? Stick around because we are diving into all the details. Alright, let's kick things off with some basic info. This little guy is called SwitchBot Mini Robot Vacuum K10 Plus, or simply K10 Plus. This smart little robot vacuum cleaner is only 24.8 centimeters in width and 9.2 centimeters in height. It is super light, weighing around 2.3 kilograms for the main unit. Despite the tiny size, you can say goodbye to the daily pain of emptying the dustbin. With its big 4-liter bin, you only need to empty it every 2 months or so. But wait, you must say, how is that possible? It is because there is also a garbage collection base included in the package. This base is heavier and bigger than the vacuum cleaner. It weighs 3.6 kilograms and it is doing the heavy lifting. And speaking of lifting, let's also talk about power. The SwitchBot K10 Plus have a 2500 PA suction power. This means it doesn't just pick up dirt, it tackles cat litter, fine dust and even food particles. That also means first-class cleaning is about to be expected from this little guy, no matter that it's around 50% smaller than an average robot vacuum cleaner. Don't let its size fool you. Exactly due to its size, it is promised to clean any corner with ease. Thanks to its compact size, it can squeeze into those spots under chairs, in corners and even under the sofa where traditional vacuums just can't fit. Now here is something that I don't know, is it a plus or minus? The K10 Plus support mopping, which is definitely good, but it comes with a non-standard solution as it is using disposable cleaning pads. That means there is no reusable mop here, which from one side eliminates the hassle of regularly washing your mop, and that is because when you decide that your cleaning pad is not in good condition anymore, you just have to throw it and replace it with a new one. That pad replacement can be done according to your cleaning preferences, ensuring an always clean and hygienic mop. So far so good. But on the other hand, what happens when you run out of pads? Can I get some more? Can I mount my own mop? This is something that is not very clear, at least to me. And that is why I said I'm not quite sure if using disposable cleaning pads is a good or bad solution. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Have in mind that with this robot it is not recommended to vacuum clean and mop at the same time. For that to happen you need 2 runs. The first one will be vacuuming only and the second one mopping, where you have to set no-go zones for your carpets so you don't get them wet. One more thing about mopping. I initially thought that I don't seem to have a mop pads at all in the package of SwitchBot Robot Vacuum K10 Plus, but it turns out that they were stored inside the garbage collection base. When I opened the lid, I saw them there. It is definitely good to read the manual from time to time. And here comes my favorite part, the home automation. The K10 Plus plays nice with various smart home platforms. You can control it through Alexa, Google Home, Siri shortcuts, SmartThings and if this then that. That generally means if you are a user of some of these voice-enabled assistant, you'll be able to control the K10 Plus with your voice only. But something is missing here, and that is Home Assistant. I tried the Home Assistant SwitchBot cloud integration in hope that it's going to work, but no dice. The device is not visible in Home Assistant yet, and that may change in the future. But for now, controlling K10 Plus from Home Assistant is not an option. Moving forward, the battery capacity of K10 Plus is 3200 mAh. That means it can clean up to 120 square meters when fully charged. And if the cleaning area exceeds 120 meters, it will return to the garbage collection station and will automatically resume from the original position after charging. But let's talk efficiency, because who doesn't love saving on power bills? Picture this, you've got a room or two with an area of 50 square meters in total and 40 meters of cleaning area. The little K10 Plus can easily clean these 40 square meters in one run and if it's doing this once a day and heading back to the dust collection bin for a debris dump, we will have a daily power consumption of 0.016 kilowatt hours. Do the math and you're looking at an estimated monthly usage of around 0.5 kilowatt hours. That's pretty efficient. I can give a round of applause for the K10 Plus for keeping those power bills in check. But there is even more in the efficiency domain, namely the LiDAR SLAM laser technology, which is like having eyes with good memory that helps K10 Plus navigate your space with precision. The LiDAR, which stands for light detection and ranging, uses lasers to measure distances. SLAM, or simultaneous localization and mapping, is like the GPS of the robot world. It helps the K10 Plus know exactly where it is and where it is going, all in real time. The coolest part, this technology is completely safe. It won't have any effect on you, on your family's health. So, no need to worry about mysterious lasers zipping around your home. Always safety first. With LiDAR SLAM, your K10 Plus can seamlessly move around furniture, avoid obstacles, and clean every spot without a hitch. Also, ever wished your vacuum could clean without sounding like a rocket taking off? Well, the SwitchBot K10 Plus has that covered. With patented silent tech technology, they've managed to reduce the noise by 50%. You can clean anytime, day or night, without worrying about disturbing anyone. Something worth mentioning is that if you've got a slight ramp or a small elevation change at your place, the K10 Plus is up for the challenge, as it can handle inclines of up to 17 degrees. If you like this vacuum cleaner, check the current price from the affiliate links in the video description. You can catch not bad discounts. I'm Kirill, thanks for watching, and until next week, bye!